how to light your wood on the gas burner in the Italiano oven.
Good day guys, welcome back to our channel. I would like to show you today one of our nice features about this new Italiano pizza oven of ours. It's a dual-fuel, which is a combo between gas and wood. You can use either, but if you don't have any fire lighters and no kindle or anything like that, you can light your wood on the gas itself. It's very simple. I'm just going to explain to you how we go about it. As we see, the amber maker is loose, so it's easy to empty your ash afterwards. But you've got these slots on the one side, and you're just going to drag it over, all the way over the gas burner. You might want to put your wood in first. So I've got this big chunky pieces of wood. This is cirkelbos, so I would suggest you use hardwoods. You open your gas, light your fire. There she goes. And you just gently push it over. Now you can see the flames are going over the amber maker. Some is coming underneath, to the side. And now you just give it a couple of minutes until it's lit. And then we're going to shift the amber maker to the left again and put our towels back. Advantages is obviously you're preheating your oven now. So while you're trying to lit your wood, the oven's getting warm. I can even feel the heat from the front, and being in about 3 or 4 minutes, you already feel it coming out. It's already 82 degrees on the base here, 60 at the back. So by the time your wood is burning, your oven's already up to the temperature that you need, and you might be able to start directly with your pizza baking. About 10 minutes in. On the floor, I've put 160 degrees down. I'm going to put the towel in so that our towels can preheat. The amber maker goes over the towel, so I can just shift that down. I've got my long towel, 700 mil, so I want to be there. Smaller towel, I put front side. This is around 50 degrees Celsius. This one's a bit colder now. They'll pick up quickly. Just like you're burning the left. Remember to open your choke. You bring the wood over so it doesn't smoke too much. So once you bring the amber maker over, just kill your gas, because otherwise for that while that this one's still heating up, the two are going to compete against one another, and the warmer gas is going to push the wood flames back, and it's going to create a bit of smoke. So just until this one is warm, just kill your gas. If you're very much in a hurry, I guess you can keep it on, but otherwise just kill it for the moment. This side heats up, and then your oven's in equilibrium. You don't really need that side because it's already so warm. And then you can start your baking. Today I'm going to do pizzas, I'm going to do a steak, and I'm going to do a whole chicken. So watch this space. The most beautiful chicken in the world. Stuffed with onion, garlic, and all the secret sauces and spices that I cannot tell you live on television.